Sometimes the best stops aren't in the guidebook. Driving through Montgomery, Dusty pointed and asked, "What's that?" So of course, we pulled over. This is Legacy Plaza, part of the Equal Justice Initiative's work to honor the fight for civil rights. Here, the stories of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and Rosa Parks remind us that change often begins with ordinary people who refuse to stay seated. My favorite part? This brick wall, where figures step out from stone into freedom. It feels alive, like the past refusing to stay silent. We were the only ones here that morning, and maybe that's why it felt so powerful. Sometimes the road points you toward places you didn't know you needed to see.